When a woman is interested in you, she rarely makes it obvious. Instead, she drops subtle hints through her words and questions, hoping you'll catch on. These questions aren't random. They're her way of testing the waters and encouraging you to take the lead. Recognizing these moments and responding the right way can help build attraction and strengthen your connection. In this guide, we'll cover 6 key questions women often ask when they're interested in you and how to respond with confidence and charm. 1. Do you think we'd ever make a good couple? This is as close as it gets to her putting her feelings on the table. She wants to see how you'd react to the idea of being together. If you're interested, don't hesitate to be a little bold. Saying something like, "Yeah, I think we'd be great together," can make her feel more confident about taking the next step. If you hesitate or downplay it, she may take it as a sign to back off. 2. Why are you still single? This question often comes with hidden meaning. She's likely thinking, "You're great. Why hasn't someone snatched you up yet?" More importantly, she might be wondering if she could be that someone. A dismissive answer like, "I've just been busy," can make you seem unavailable. Instead, frame your response in a way that suggests openness, such as, "Maybe I've just been waiting for the right person to come along." This keeps the conversation playful while subtly hinting at the possibility of something between you. 3. What's your ideal date? This question isn't just about small talk. It's her way of imagining what a date with you would be like. To make the most of this, answer honestly, but also consider her interests. If she's into outdoor activities, suggest a fun hiking trip followed by a picnic. If she's a foodie, describe a cozy dinner with great conversation. This subtly plants the idea of going on a date together, making it easier to transition into actually planning one. 4. Do you like anyone right now? This is her way of figuring out if you have feelings for someone, potentially her. If you dodge the question or mention another woman, her enthusiasm might fade. A great response is to create intrigue by saying, "There might be someone, but I'm not sure if she feels the same way." This opens the door for her to reveal her own feelings while making the moment more exciting. 5. Do you ever see yourself settling down? She's trying to gauge your mindset about relationships and whether she fits into your future. If you've been keeping things light, this is her way of testing where you stand. A solid response would be, "Yeah, when the right person comes along." This keeps things open-ended while allowing her to see herself in that role. Women appreciate men who can communicate openly about their intentions, so answering thoughtfully can strengthen her interest in you. 6. What kind of girl do you usually go for? This isn't just casual conversation. She's trying to see if she fits your ideal type. Pay attention to how she reacts as you answer. If she's interested, she might compare herself to the traits you mention. To handle this well, avoid being too vague or overly specific. Instead, subtly tailor your answer to align with qualities she possesses. For example, if she's adventurous, mention that you admire spontaneous women. This reassures her that she's someone you'd be drawn to while keeping the conversation natural and engaging.